What animal is making that noise? I'm tempted to get dressed and go out there and see what it is. It sounds pitiful, but it doesn't register as a bird. And I'd have to wade through swamp to get out there to find it.